Applying for PAN card has become easier for people these days as they can now apply for a fresh PAN online as well as offline. Let us discuss how to apply for PAN card in both ways. How to apply for a PAN card online. Step by step, the government has made provisions for applicants to apply for PAN through the Income Tax PAN Services Unit of NSDL. Follow these easy steps to apply for a PAN online. Step 1. Open the NSDL site https://www.onlineservices.nsdl.com/pum/ and user register contact.html to apply for a new PAN. Step 2. Select the application type, new PAN for Indian citizens, foreign citizens of a change, correction in existing PAN data. Step 3. Select your category, individual, associations of persons, body of individuals, etc. Step 4. Fill in all the required details like name, date of birth, email address and your mobile number in the PAN form. Step 5. On submitting the form, you will get a message regarding the next step. Step 6. Click on the Continue with the PAN application form button. Step 7. You will be redirected to the new page where you have to submit your digital e-KYC. Step 8. Now enter your personal details in the next part of the form. Step 9. In the next part of the form, enter your contact and other details. Step 10. Enter your area code, type and other details in this part of the form. You can also find these details in the tab below. Step 11. The last part of the form is the document submission and declaration. Step 12. You will get to see your complete form to make corrections, if any. If you do not want to make any changes, click Proceed button. Step 13. You will be redirected to the payment section where you have to make payment either through demand draft or through net banking, debit, credit card. Step 14. Once you make the payment, you will get the acknowledge form with the 16-digit acknowledgement slip. Step 15. Take a print of this acknowledgement form. Step 16. Attach 2 recent passport-sized photographs. Sign in the space provided on the acknowledgement form. Step 17. Enclose all the documents self-attested mentioned in the form along with demand draft if payment was not done online, and acknowledgement form. Step 18. Post the envelope containing all these documents to the NSDL address mentioned below. Income Tax PAN Services Unit, NSDL Governance Infrastructure Limited, 5th floor, Mantri, Sterling, plot number 341. Survey No. 997, 8th Model Colony, near D. Bungalow Chowk, Pune 411,016. Don't forget to label the envelope as Application for PAN and Acknowledgement Number. You will receive the email on receipt of application.